For the past 5 weeks, I've been building a Shredder cosplay for Comic-Con. And today, I'm gonna see how it looks when it all comes together. This cosplay has 3D printed armor, custom harness and straps, fabrics that I sewed together myself. And the problem with a build like this is you don't really know if it works until the first full test fit. Okay. Oh man. So this is Shredder's folds. This folds, which is like the hip armor. Oh man. I'm not too concerned about the back, you know, because I'm gonna have a cape, but like I am really happy with how these turned out. I mean, I modified these pieces. These are actually pieces from my helmet, which I will get. So I wanted hip armor that matched the design of my helmet, right? So you know what? Let's put it on. And I also made these, you know, bicep pieces so that it will all, you know, be uniform. This was the vision that I had. I also modified these pieces. So this and these just came from the helmet, you know? Like I modified it and then I resized it, reshaped it to make these parts of the armor. And oh my god, this is so cool. This is the first time I made something like this. Oh man, I've been wanting to make something like this, like a pauldron, you know, connected to like, I don't know what to call this, a bicep piece. Like this is a good sign because this is a design I plan to make over and over again. I love armor, especially fantasy medieval armor. And look, I nailed it. I mean, I can't rotate it. I mean, that's kind of tough. See, doing that kind of rotation, but like, I guess whatever, right? I'm figuring it out. But this works. Here are the other pieces of the armor. Straps installed. Seems secure. I think this will work. I just have to make sure that I don't accidentally kick anyone. I actually made armor plates from my boots, and I couldn't sew them in my sewing machine, so I actually had to hand sew these. I poked myself, guys, with the needle. See? There. Ow. And finally, here are Shredder's boots. I think these will do, I like them, so we're going with it. And here's the helmet and mask after painting. Oh man, I'm really loving how this looks. And I know some of you are too. Thanks for letting me know. I did do some touch-ups to the helmet and mask, and I feel now it's ready for the convention floor. It's such a fascinating thing, how you can create something and just fall in love with it. I'm having so much fun making this cosplay. I'm really excited to wear it. And I'm damn proud. My cousin came over to help me suit up because honestly, I'm not sure I can put this on by myself. I'm wearing a black shirt and black pants, both baggy to represent that Japanese samurai look. Then I put on the boots, the shin guards, and then the hip armor, which is attached to my harness. Next comes the gloves and arm blades, and then I wrap them using decorative straps. These go all the way up my forearm. Next comes the chest and the back piece.
I figured it would be difficult to wrap my forearms while wearing the chest piece. Then comes the sash and the cape. This first test fitting really helped me to figure out what I need to improve before its official debut. Now come the shoulder armor, the pauldrons. Already I'm starting to see it come together. It's looking so cool. Up next is the helmet and then the arm guards. There tends to be this moment when you realize this either works or it doesn't. How do I feel about this? I feel powerful. This feels amazing. I love how it all came together. I am super pleased with the overall look. I honestly had no idea what it would look like with everything, coming together, but yeah, I think this is great. I think this will do.